this is a beautiful rice cooker that I just got, and I cannot wait to try it out. It is the little elephant, the Zojirushi. I believe that's how you say it. And there's a few different models. This is the one that I got. It came with the time already programmed into it. This is what comes in the box. So you have the cooking pan, a steaming basket, detachable and washable inner lid, the, cooking mechanism. And then these are some of the things that they can do. So we have different rice settings. You can actually make a cake in here, which is cool. And then there's a steam basket, and you can keep stuff warm. From what I understand, this is like the only rice cooker that you'll ever need. The one that I have, and it was just kind of a cheapy one, the non-stick coating is coming off, and I don't want you eating that, so that's why I replaced it. That's how it opens. Super cool. This is the steaming basket, so you can take this out. And then this is the rice. It has the indicator here. It does come with a, let me show you, hold on. It comes with a little cup if you need it to measure, and it comes with a little spatula, and there is a holding, a little thing on the side where it'll hold the, let's look at some pictures here. Something that, I don't want to get any of my personal info. It comes with a very thick instruction manual, and then like a quick start guide, quick guide to getting started. I am very excited to try this. I have heard amazing reviews about it. It has a little handle. So yeah, I'm gonna make some rice with this bad boy, and I will let you know how it goes. But this is the Zojirushi little elephant rice cooker.